Ever wondered why your favorite coffee shop barista seems extra chipper when they upsell you that fancy new drink? Or how come your sales rep goes the extra mile to schedule that product demo? It might have something to do with a little something called a spiff. Now, if you're nodding along like, spiff? What in the world is that? You're not alone. It's a term thrown around a lot in sales and customer success circles, but it's rarely explained in plain English. So, let's break it down. Imagine you're a customer success manager. Your day-to-day is packed with client calls, onboarding new customers, troubleshooting issues, and generally being the hero who saves the day for your company's users. It's a tough gig, and let's face it, motivation can wane. That's where spiffs come in. A spiff, short for Sales Performance Incentive Fund, is essentially a bonus or incentive offered to motivate employees to achieve specific goals. In the world of sales, it's pretty straightforward. Close a deal, get a spiff. But in customer success, it gets a bit more interesting. Think about it. Your company wants to increase customer retention, upsell existing customers, or maybe even generate more leads. How do they motivate you to focus on these goals without breaking the bank? Spiffs. A customer success spiff might look like this. For every customer you successfully upsell to a premium plan, you get a $100 bonus. Or, for each new feature adoption you drive, you earn points redeemable for cool prizes. It's a win-win. You get extra cash or goodies, and the company reaches its goals. But it's not just about the money or the prizes. Spiffs can also boost morale, increase job satisfaction, and even foster a healthy sense of competition among your team. When you know your hard work is recognized and rewarded, it's a game changer. However, there's a catch. Spiffs can be a double-edged sword. If not implemented carefully, they can lead to short-term thinking, a focus on quantity over quality, and even unethical behavior. It's essential to design spiff programs with clear goals, measurable outcomes, and ethical guidelines. So, the next time you're interacting with a particularly enthusiastic customer success rep, remember, they might be on a spiff mission. And the next time you're brainstorming ways to motivate your customer success team, consider incorporating spiffs into the mix. Just make sure to do it right. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.